Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to video tutorials. Today we'll be looking at another new opportunity on Bybit today. We'll be looking at how you can make money on Bybit without trading cryptocurrency. We'll be looking at how you can make some rational percentage from your money. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos. Okay, so you want to navigate yourself to the top right hand side here where there is a sign of notifications. Just click on there quickly. If you click on there quickly, then we're going to go into search for this opportunity that will be able to give us some rational percentage without trading cryptocurrency. So what we're going to do is to scroll down a little. My interest here for the night is KSM. KSM is my interest here for the night. Say stake KSM to earn up to 86% APR exclusive on Bybit Flexi Savings. I'm going to click on more to see. And don't forget, you must understand that if you want to make a big profit, your capital must also be fine. Okay? You want a reasonable profit, use a reasonable capital. So it was unfortunate that KSM was sold out. So this one now is on USDT. And the APR here is 300%. That's very huge, right? But the problem with this one is that you need not less than 100 USDT to continue. What is required here is 100 to 400 maximum. The maximum is 400 and the minimum is 100. The max is 400. So you must need 100 USDT to continue this fixed term savings. And one of the most fascinating thing about this one is that it's just a day, one day. Now let's check. What is the 300% of 100 USDT? Right? So that we can really see or really understand what exactly we're doing here. Let's go quickly to the calculator to check this 100%, this 300%, sorry. Now let's say 300 USD times 300%. Wow. That's 300. Right? Okay. If this is for those of us who are complaining of the APR, today we'll be looking at this APR. If you say this is per annum, then this 300 divided by 12, you get 25. It is also a reasonable profit as well. So I think this is one of the best offer. This is one of the best offer you can get on Bybit. This type of offer are always rare, so quickly dive into it. Now let's check what are the remaining pools that's left. The remaining pool size is still much, almost over $401 million. Okay, is it? Over $501 million left. over $501 million left, over 400, yeah, over 400. Then your current staking amount will be appearing here. Your current staking volume will be appearing here, and make sure it's available 100, because less than 100 cannot stake this pool. The estimated yield begin, which has begun already, and this yield distributions time UTC will be on the 913. Okay, it will be on the 913, which is just one day, from September 12th to September 13th. So you can just dive into that now and earn what is rightfully yours. On this, all you just need to do is to stake just for one day and gain 300%. $100 minimum, 400 maximum. So the next thing that you just need to do is to proceed to come to this place and click on take, then stake. So after staking, the only thing you just need to do is to wait. Do nothing more, just wait. Just wait for these 24 hours to be over, and you can reclaim your both money and your profits. So I do not wish for this class to be too long. If you do have any question, do what to drop it at the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. So on this junction, I will see you in my next video. Bye.